Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, July 19th, 2025, and we're doing a deep dive into Rocket Lab, ticker RKLB, a stock that has absolutely rocketed to the top of the space and tech watch list this summer. Let's get right to the numbers. RKLB closed Friday at $51.39, marking a staggering run that's seen the stock gain over 31% this week and almost 95% for the month. Incredibly, it's up more than 830% over the last year, with shares bouncing from a 52-week low of $4.20 all the way to a new high of $53.44 earlier this week. Market capitalization now sits around $23 to $24 billion, and average volatility is high, with the stock sporting a beta above 2.1 and daily swings of over 8% not being unusual. Fundamentally, analysts have lifted their price targets sharply. Bank of America recently boosted its target to $50 and maintain a buy, while Needham, KeyCorp, Roth Capital, and Cantor Fitzgerald have raised targets up to the $32 to $40 range. The average analyst target, though, remains at $34.10, indicating that price is now well above consensus, largely on momentum and speculation versus fundamentals. The consensus is moderate buy with 7 buy ratings, 4 holds, and 1 strong buy among major analysts. Financially, Rocket Lab's last quarter saw $122.57 million in revenue, up 32% year over year, but losses deepened with a net margin at minus 44% and EPS at minus 12 cents, missing slight expectations. The next big catalyst is the earnings report scheduled for August 7th, 2025, which could either support the rally or trigger volatility if results disappoint. Now, let's talk trading strategy for RKLB at these levels. For short-term and momentum traders, this is a classic rider market. The uptrend is extreme. Look for volume-driven moves and watch closely for breakouts above $53.50 or pullbacks to the $48 to $50 zone. Consider tight stop losses to manage risk with high volatility and avoid getting caught on sharp pullbacks. Given the strong run, RSI is near 59, so not yet overbought, but caution is warranted as the stock is trading well above its 50 and 200-day moving averages, often a setup for sudden reversals or at least some consolidation. Swing traders can watch for support around the $50 level. A failure to hold could see a sharp move down toward the next key moving average or psychological support. Long-term investors should be aware RKLB is trading well above analyst consensus. If you have conviction in Rocket Lab's tech, execution, and the small satellite launch sector, consider scaling in slowly and be prepared for volatility, especially around earnings. With earnings on August 7th, news flow and market sentiment will drive the next big move. RKLB is delivering huge returns for those nimble enough to ride the trend, but demands real discipline. Let us know in the comments if you're trading RKLB, holding for the long term, or waiting for a dip, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high volatility stock insights.